Today I'm going to show you the Shuffle VIP wager calculator. This calculator can be used to find the wager needed in order to rank up to the next VIP tier on shuffle.com or Shuffle US. If you want to try this tool for yourself, click on the link down in my description below. This is a completely free to use tool. There is no charge for this. I'll show you an example of how it works. Say for example your VIP level is Bronze 3 and you want to rank up to Bronze 4. You're going to need $1,000 of total wager needed, and you can expect to get a rank up bonus of $6 if you want to go from Bronze 3 to Bronze 4. You could switch this up and say you're already in Silver. You're Silver 5, and you want to increase to Gold. $50,000 in total wager would be needed to go from Silver 5 to Gold, and you can expect to get $150 for a rank up bonus. You can also switch your current progress in that VIP level and see how much wager would be needed. If you want to try this tool for yourself, click on the link down in my description below. Like I said, it's free to use, and I hope it's helpful.